The water cycle, a mystery unraveled thousands of years later. The continuous movement of water through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, known as the hydrologic cycle, is a well-established scientific fact today. However, this cycle was not understood until relatively modern times. Ancient civilizations believed rainfall came from gods, who poured water from celestial containers. Greek philosophers theorized that underground rivers replenished lakes and oceans. Even as late as the 16th century, scientists struggled to fully explain how water continuously moved through Earth's system. But the Bible had already documented this natural cycle. Long before any scientific model, God draws up the drops of water. They condense into rain from his mist. Then the clouds pour it down. Job chapter 36, verses 27-28. All the streams flow into the sea, yet the sea is not full. To the place from which the streams flow, there they return so as to flow again. Ecclesiastes chapter 1, verse 7. Let's break this down. When God draws up the drops of water, this describes evaporation, where the sun heats up water from seas, lakes, and rivers, causing it to rise into the air. 2. They condense into rain from his mist. This refers to condensation, where the water vapor cools and forms clouds. 3. Then the clouds pour it down. This is precipitation, when water droplets become heavy enough to fall as rain. 4. All the streams flow into the sea, yet the sea is not full. This highlights the continuous cycle, explaining why bodies of water do not overflow despite constant inflow. Modern meteorology only confirmed these principles in the 16th and 17th centuries, yet the Bible recorded them more than 3,000 years ago. How did Job and Solomon, the authors of these verses, have such precise knowledge of natural processes? Again, this points to divine authorship. The Bible was not merely a human book. It contains truths that scientific progress later validated, proving its credibility as a book of divine origin. Final thought, how did the Bible know? These examples, Earth's suspension in space and the water cycle, are just two of many scientific truths that the Bible described long before humans discovered them. If the Bible were merely a product of ancient human thinking, it would have reflected the mistaken beliefs of those times. But instead, it reveals knowledge that was far beyond human understanding. Could this be mere coincidence? Or is it proof that the Bible was inspired by a higher intelligence, the creator of the universe himself? What do you think? Let this evidence strengthen your confidence in the Bible as not just a religious book, but the very Word of God.